Hi, my name is Amar. Welcome to my another RPG tutorial. Today, in this tutorial, we are going to learn how a character equips a weapon and he can perform a light attack. So in this, you'll be seeing a character equips a weapon and performs a light attack. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, put down your questions in the comment down below. And please join my Discord and also check out the game which we're making with the team of 10 people and also join the wish list in our website. Thank you very much. Let's get started. So let's get started where we're going to now implement how to add light attack to our character. Uh, Before we get started, we need to make sure that how we can properly replicate the animation montages to different, I would say, actor or different components. So let's kind of try to create a very simple workflow here. Just few common things which we need to look into is in our GA collect weapon, you're going to click on replicate and instant per actor. And I don't like the word GA collect weapon. I will name it. I'm gonna name this katana because it's katana, you see. So why not? Replicate. No, it's gonna be replicates here, and in the BP katana. Then in the BP weapon collection, we are also again gonna choose replicate. And for our sandbox character, we click on this. Replicate. Yeah, it is already by default, so that should be fine. And let's save all of this. So now let's create a play montage replicated like a custom event. Let's name this PLAY player replication, and let's first create play anim montage. So we need to contain this all thing in a struct where we can also have information of this. Because why do we need struct? Because sometimes we cannot use player animation montage to a different component or a different or we cannot use it to an interface. So in that case we need to create a struct so that an interface can identify it. So let's create a struct. So I created a folder called struct, and we go to the blueprint and struct with touch. And as you can see, so now we need animation montage, we need play rate, and we need start session name. So those are the things which we're going to use. So let's create like a 2, 3, 4. We also need trigger value. So that also, so obviously we're going to just go by the names as it explains. We're going to go first is anim montage. Then we are going to go play rate. Play rate. Then we are going to go with start session name. Then we go trigger time. We don't need this. Oh, we remove this to here. So for anim montage, we're gonna get anim montage, object reference, play rate. Of course, it's gonna be floats. This one is gonna be name, and this one is gonna be floats. So let's save them all, and we're gonna create another function. We will name this montage data, and we are going to find montage this one. So now let's let's just click this one now, because this one we are going to be replacing it with an interface in the future, well, in few minutes time. But just for the sake of understanding, let's just set members in S montage. Let's bind this, and now when you click on this, I will make those all the options visible, and let's split them up. Struct out anim montage, this one, and it goes here. And these are the things. Again, just for the sake of understanding, let's create this. So now for no, not trigger time. So yeah, I just have to remove this. It's not gonna go here. So for that we need to get game state, where it get the current game state. Then we go for get server world time second, where it's gonna get the real time world time second from the server. Then we are gonna go with triggerable delay, and we're just again gonna go with the montage data and set. Oh no, no, just to make it look nice and clean. Let's go to set numbers to this, and let's trigger this one. Oh no, we don't need this. This for checking. So in this, we need to make sure for the replication method you're gonna use greply notify. Now, just for the testing sake, not even testing, this default value, let's just keep it none. And play rate, let's just keep it for a sec. Now, for this, we are gonna use this one called play montage replicate, where we are gonna get this one here, and we're gonna get this one here, and we're gonna click I click. So let's just do a bit of checking. Oh, why is that? Let's try putting them here and here. I just want to see what's going on here. Interesting. Somewhat of course. Oh, I didn't put an animation. Oh. EQUIP. Sorry, that was my bad. Is it this one? Oh, so it did work. Yeah, that was my fault. Let's try it out again. I by mistake. So it's working, but again, there is no need of putting this one here. Because in the future we don't need this. So let's just get back to our own setup. So now, let's go to this. As you can see, in this anim montage, we need to kind of declare all the animation data because it's currently reply notified. So we need to replicate this one on a network level. So for it to store those data, we need to kind of declare the animations inside this. So how do we do that? Obviously, we cannot like get animation montage inside this because it has. I'll show you. Let's say, for example, let's take a mesh, and in mesh we play montage. This one we cannot have inside this. You can give it a try, but it's not gonna come because it has starting position and it uses single position. So anything which is a float and the single position, montage data can't identify. So for that, we're gonna create again a custom event. Let's name this the same name as what it is. So now let's just get all the general stuff here. Now you might be thinking, why did I put starting position here? I'll show you why. Now let's go to the montage data, and now let's get the montage data. Let's play it out. Then let's get is valid. If montage data is valid, then execute play montage. Now, what needs to be executed in play montage? This one. But for montage data, can't directly do this. It's not good. So what we're gonna do, also join this one. Now for the trigger time to get the time in real time, what do we do? Again, the same thing. We get game state get server world time second. Then I subtract it with a bit of a map we need to do. You get the play length. We are gonna also attach this one to this. Then we are gonna get plan values are already set. So it's number values, so it's gonna be fun. See plan lobes, um, and we attach this to this one. You know what? Let's try it out by let's just sugar. Um, uh, Blueprints sandbox. Uh, let's go to the event graph. Uh, just for testing purpose, we'll go with play player montage replicate to see whether it's working or not. Let's connect this to this, and let's see TQEIP quick. Yeah, the names of it not. I don't know what up with such. I'm shooting games for myself. It's not- Yes, it is working. So okay, now let's compile and save. Everything looks nice and clean. Now let's create a gameplay ability for light attack. Let's go to game blueprint. Again, the same. Let's change the name of this one. It's kind of bothering me. Uh, I hate the number one. Literally, for like doesn't like look good in the. Uh, let's create a gameplay ability blueprint. Let's know this. Uh, GA underscore. Uh, let's say LIGHT. No, let's just say attack because we can copy this in the future as well. Uh, no, let's make it more specific. LIG fight attack katana. So what are the abilities does a light attack need to have? So first let's create an ability where we are telling in the input. This is an input for a light attack. So an input for a light attack. Make sure you choose this option as always. Add a new tag. Select it. Now, if the light attack is acute, for the character to perform the light attack, so for the character to perform light attack, we need to activate the character to equip the katana. Few options which you need to check is, yeah, that should be okay. Yeah, these are fine. Now let's let's get an animation. So the animation which we will be using is, uh, let's go to animation and let's retarget this attack. Looks pretty good. Well, let's just skip this one. Attack mode, import animation. Let's put it here. Export. Yeah, it did export now. So obviously we need to get an animation of it. We need to make sure to enable the root motion and monitor for force root lock. Then we need to also create an montage of it. So let's save all of them. So remember the last time when I said, but not last time, 2 minutes ago, where we can't have this custom event in the light attack. So for that, we need to create an interface. So now that's the thing which we'll be creating an interface. So for this, now we'll be creating a new interface. Let's create a new interface, another blueprint interface. So we're gonna name this DPI characters. Yeah, one of that should work. We will name this player montage, and we're gonna have all those animation montage, player rate, start session name, all the company junk. I'll name montage, play rates, start session, and we're gonna get a name montage. Now we go to our third person character in the class setting. You go again DPI. Yeah, the setting is not right, but I'll fix the setting later. Now let's go to the inter. Now you see we got this one, and we just gonna replace them all with this, with this, with this, and with this. Now, as you can see, this is an interface. Now we can access this interface into the gameplay ability system. where is in the light attack? How do we access it? We get avatar avatar actor from actor info, returns physical actor that executes this ability, maybe not. So yeah, play montage replication. Is it dusty? Was this thing right? It's again replication. Yeah. Um. Now we're gonna play LRGs to like here that. If that's the one. Now let's just have a delay. Yeah, there was. And let's just and ability. Now, we need to give this ability when the character is equipping it. This light ability, obviously, if the character doesn't, everything starts from when the character equips the weapon. So let's go to now. Let's go and get ability system component where we are now gonna give once the character has equipped the weapon. Once he equips one of the ability which he is gonna perform is a light attack for now. And let's end the ability. And the so now let's create a nice input system. Typical stuff. Control C. That's fine. We don't need this here. Uh, let's not make some very cluttered. Now we're gonna go to the CI. Let's type IMC. I think so. It's gonna be. Let's check where it is. So okay. We're gonna add this here. We're gonna get the light attack, and it's gonna be done by left mouse button, and let's save it. And now to test out, let's give IA light attack. So what we are gonna do, we're gonna get the latest system. We are gonna try activate ability by tag. We're gonna get this one. Make literal gameplay tag container. Now obviously like input light attack for sure. Also just to make sure in the light attack, let's put like a play rate of 1. And also in the BPI character play rate, let's also add a 1. And let's see whether it works or not. See, it's working. Oh, that's good. Let me see whether, like, say, for example, if I define it one, do I have to define it on the light effect here? Say, okay, now, let's see here. So what's happening here is, like, you see, there is an issue. Let's equip this. And you see, like, I'm spamming. It's not looking good. We need to show it once. Now, this is not an ability which you're going to create. Ability is light attack. And it's going to be a gameplay effect. The gameplay effect is going to say, just do it one good slash. Even if I spam my button. So let's create a gameplay effect. How do we create a gameplay effect? We are going to the same stuff. Gonna create little effects. We're gonna select this. We're gonna go GE. We're gonna create a component where we're gonna grant that to the target actor, and we're gonna add a tag of input light attack. Oh, also the duration policy has duration under weapon. Now we need to tell that we are performing an attack. So how do we do that? We add a sub tag called light attack. And let's add the now as this is performing a light attack, Now, after every time it performs a light attack, they do a block. We have to block that light attack so that doesn't spam continuously. So now what do we do is we go to activation block attack. Yeah, we go per weapon, light attack. Again, we are not a game like this for the first time we're gonna see. Now we have to give this ability to the light attack. This by apply game play effect to target, and it's gonna be of course our GE attack. So now we are gonna go and get gameplay effect to honor, where we're gonna go and get this one. So this is gonna be called onto this one. So now we need to declare a duration. So the duration is gonna be like, let's put a duration for 1 second. So now let's try it out. Now let's see. Now it's not spamming. And that is how it is done. And that's all for today. That's how you do light attack. And also before we also did, I also showed you how to replicate montage efficiently. And hopefully this tutorial makes sense. Any doubt, put down your questions down in the comment. Follow me on Discord. Please do like and share it to your friends who want to learn Unreal Engine. Thank you very much.